आणि ते धाकटे ते जालें आनी ते मोव जालें जाल्यार आतां उदका बुडोवन आनी मोव जालें जाल्यार ते रोपू मेळपाना ते पेड्डे जातले आमकां सगलें
तुमी पंचायतीन येयले पंचायतीन सगळें ताका सांगलें
हय आमी तेका लागून सांगपा येयलोली ते उदकी कोन्न ते हुच्यान सण मागीर ते रोवपा मेळटा न्ही काम
आमकां उदक वचपा दावना तें आतां आमगेलें दाव करपा जाय आमगे सगळें मोडटा येना जाल्यार तें उदकी करूं जाय म्हणून हांव ताका सांगो येयलो आतां
कोणे रस्तो केलो
थिंग रस्तो केलो तें हो व्हडले बांद आमचे खुरीस आहा त्या बुरसा कडेन नेव केला
किती त्रास जाता तुमकां
आमकां त्रास जाता आमगे शेतां पायप घालें ती पायप घालें ती एश घायलें तेणी ती पायप एश घालूंक जाय आमकां आट करपा जाय पयलीं आट हाडलो ती थिंग रस्ते मात घायले आनी तो रस्तो केलो आनी आतां तें उदक सोडलो ना तें
fact, the panchayat and the honorable MLA and minister, they had already brought to our notice, and we started these works right at the end of May, and we had completed almost about 7 to 8 kilometers of drains we have cleaned, and now only these bottlenecks which are there. This is like a drain which is going underneath the Konkan railway tracks. We don't have any jurisdiction on the Konkan railway tracks, so now these are some bottlenecks which have remained, which they had to clean it.
This is not the right picture because WRD has done the desilting of the drains. We have opened up drains that were lying buried for the last 12 years. Now, yesterday I called the representatives of Konkan Railway Corporation and I have told them of the problem. I think right now they are on the field, they are working on those drains. I did the road specifically for the farmers because it is an essential road. We took care to see that special ramps are made to allow the farmers to take the agricultural machinery onto the fields, and we've done it with a lot of joy. And I don't like when people take advantage to get political mileage. The farmers had to come to my office. Now, if the concerned punch of the area, if the punch wanted to help the farmers, he has a right to help the farmers. He had to come to the right office, which is the MLA's office, and not take them to the Gram Sabha. That is done with vested interests, and I will never accept such acts.